This is the view from our hotel room in Tokyo. That is Shinsoju Temple at yan ang number one reason why I stayed in this hotel. And here are the other things we like about this hotel. It is in the heart of Asakusa, which can be super crowded with tourists. Hub in Asakusa is just across the street, kaya you can go here early morning to take photos or at night for a different vibe without competing with other people. Food trip at Nishishando Shopping Street is more accessible. Since malapit lang, we were able to try famous food spots in the area during our 3-day stay, including this melon pancakitsudo.
Ang soft pala ng ano niya. Akala ko na matigas.
Unagi from Asakusa Onana, and this conveyor belt sushi. Sama mo na din ang ramen shop na nasa tapat mismo ng hotel. This was so good kaya nakadalawang balik kami dito. Malawak ang room. For Japan standard, this room is really spacious. It is less traditional than the other hotels we stayed in. We got the double room for 5,500 pesos per night. May queen size bed, desk, TV, refrigerator, bathtub, shower, toiletries, and so much more. Complete na yan. Sa lobby, you can find a lounge area with even more coffee supplies. You can book it through Klook and use my code KimBulanKlook for a discount. It is also very accessible to important places in Tokyo, especially via the Ginza line, since Asakusa train station is 5 minutes away. Around 10-minute walk lang din to Don Quixote and Uniqlo. Pero what we really stayed here for is this unobstructed view of the Shinsoju Temple, lalo na at night.